Hello everyone, this is Scott of ET Database. I found the black triangle on the sun again. Yes, it's back again. I reported it last month. It's back again, but this time, instead of moving this direction across the sun, it's coming back this direction. Okay, here's a close-up. Let me show you more. Here is the same black triangle I reported a few months ago, but this is actually just a few days ago. This is on November 8th, and it's still there even today on November 22nd. And so this is just absolutely amazing. This is a close-up of it, and you can see it very, very well. It is recorded. I pre-recorded this, as you see. And let's stop it. Ooh, you see something flying past it, don't you? And you can see the object does look like a black triangle. Very strange, and it's huge. I mean, that's close to the size of the moon itself, guys. The size of the moon. Let's look at this really close up. Okay, guys, here's a close-up of the object on the Earth's sun, but I did stop it. It's already pre-recorded. I wanted you to see this object when it's stopped in different places and locations because it seems to be easier to see that way. Okay, let's start. Now the object almost looks like a black hat, but I believe it's more shaped like a black triangle. The shape seems to change a little bit because the distance from the top surface of the sun and the lighting from behind is too bright sometimes, so we lose the focus. But we do see this object does look like a black triangle. Now this black triangle is as big as the moon. So how can NASA not be talking about this? And it's coming in the opposite direction it was going last time. Last time it was going to the right of the screen. Now it's coming from the right of the screen. This is really crazy, guys. What's going on? Let's see this in negative format. Here is the UFO in negative format, and as you see, it really stands out. But the brightness looks like clouds. The brightness is causing a little disturbance around the edges, so we lose some of the detail. But it does look like a very large, like a stealth bomber kind of craft. And this object is on the surface, actually on the surface of the sun. It's not in orbit. It's not above around the sun anywhere. This object is moon size and it's huge. So I'm not really sure why NASA's never addressed the fact that this thing exists. Why hasn't NASA said anything about a giant black triangle on Earth's sun? Or maybe they just don't want us to know because they know what it is. What we're looking at here is a close-up of HelioViewer software, and it is downloadable. And as you see, when I hit play, this black triangle here continues to move down this direction. It's moving over. Very strange, isn't it? It's actually moving the opposite direction that it was moving the other month. Okay, so let's stop this. Let's stop this. Here it is in October 10th. And here it is on November 10th. Kind of cool, isn't it? Kind of cool. Let's see how far back we can. Well, we can get this back pretty far, but let's see if we can zoom in on this. And let's try to focus it a little bit. Can you see that? Okay, I think you can see that pretty well. But it's still just a blur, isn't it? It's still just a blur. Very strange. But as you see, if I let it move by itself, it will work its way across the screen slowly from one direction to the other. So it is moving downward. This month it's coming back this way, where last month it was going up this direction. So strange, isn't that strange? Okay guys, like and subscribe. Tell me your thoughts about what you think this black triangle is and why is it going in the opposite direction. No asteroid, moon, or anything orbiting Earth's sun could possibly change the directions of its orbits. This is just mind-blowing, guys. This is just mind-blowing. Nothing can change directions of its orbit, and yet this black triangle did. Scott Seawaring, ET Database, signing out.